You have a Nintendo Switch Pro controller. These things are sweet, but does yours not charge anymore? I can't get this thing to charge. It doesn't matter if I plug it into the Switch, if I actually take that cord out, stick it in like a wall charger. I think this battery's shot. You want to know how to replace it? If you can unscrew 6 screws, watch my man hands in the next part of this video, you too can replace your battery very simply in a Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Order one off Amazon if that's where you shop. $10.59 shipped to your house. And you can be playing, gaming again on this sweet beast. Follow the video. Here we go. 6 screws. Stick with me. Pro controller on a flat surface, nice work area. You're going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to get to that battery under that case. Grab your flat screwdriver or your Phillips head, something little, you'll see. It's a Phillips head screw. Now look at the bottom of your controller. Did you ever notice those before? 1, 2 Phillips head screws have been staring at your face every time you've used that. Stick that in there. Let's remember lefty-loosey. And turn. And let's see what can happen. Black screw out. Put that down. Watch what happens next. Whoa, that thing comes off. No way. Go to the other side. Do the same thing. If you can remove 6 screws in total, you can replace the battery on your Nintendo Pro controller. There we go. Black screw out. Watch this. Oh, you knew it was coming that time. There we go. Flip it over. Now you should see on each side where those grips used to be, there's going to be 2 silver looking screws staring at you in the face. 1, that's not it, but you'll see. 1, 2. There's 2 on each side. You've already managed to take off 2 screws. Now you must take off 4 more. You can do it. These screws are going to be slightly shorter in length, and they're magnetic. So if you have a magnetic screwdriver, yes. 2 out. Beautiful. Don't lose it. Go to the other side. Stick with me. It's going to take 4 minutes total. Or give or take. I don't know. As fast as you can spin things. 3 out. 1 more to go. And this project is almost over. Here we go. 1 more screw. You can do it. Use your hands. Hold that thing tight. Yep. You got to get it in the hole. Get it in the... Turn it. There you go, big fella. All right, here we go. Now this whole back cover is just going to pop off. So get your little screwdriver. I have the flathead on because I knew I was going to be using a little pry action here. So let's see. What do we have so far? We have 2 little feet, 2 black screws, 4 silver screws. That's what you should have so far. That's what I have. Now take your little flathead screwdriver, and you'll see a little gap there. Just kind of, not going to break it. Trust me. Go to another spot. Go. Watch this. That thing comes off. And look at that. That is what's causing you all these headaches. Take that thing out of there. Gently though. It's a lithium battery. Don't play around. Get it out. There you go. Now if I didn't have the worst camera in the world, you'd be able to see that says CTR003, I believe. That's the part number you should take with you over to Amazon, Nintendo, wherever you're going to go. Yep, sorry. I have a terrible camera that doesn't know how to focus. Oh, that's not going to help, fellas. No. Oh, nope. 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 Nope again. Nope. Still no. Nope. Unless my eyes are failing me. Still no. Trust me, it's a CTR003. There's your 3 contacts. When you purchase a new one, they can be purchased on Amazon at this moment right now for like $9.99. This is me putting it back in now. Once you've had your fresh one, don't put your old one back in, or you'll have done nothing. Now just do what you did backwards. All right, now when I was trying to show you there on that battery, it says 3.7 volts. And I believe it says either 1200 or 1400 mAh, which is the milliamp hours. That is how long that battery is going to run between charges. You might see on wherever you're going to purchase your new battery, a battery that might show a bigger number. That mAh number might be bigger. That's fine. Keep the 3.7 volts. That's the juice that you need. But that other number, that can be bigger. That just means the capacity. How big is the gas tank on your car? Bigger gas tank, your car is going to run longer. So think of that mAh as the same thing. Bigger number, bigger capacity, bigger charge, bigger time between having to recharge. So the battery that I've purchased off Amazon has a 2000 milliamp hour battery, which is bigger than the original. Now, I couldn't speak to its quality. Who made this original Nintendo battery? I can't speak to quality. I know that I have a bigger battery that's going to go on. Now look, when you're putting these 2 feet on, you're going to see little grooves in the feet, and you're going to see a little slot. Now that groove must go in that slot, and you'll see it should just slide on, no force necessary. Boom, right on the right, left on the left. Try it again. Line up your slots. Well, no force necessary. 2 screws and this job is finished. So if you have Amazon Prime, you could probably get one of these things shipped to your house in 2 days for like $10.59. Put that CTR003, type of Nintendo Switch Pro Controller battery, and just make sure that you're getting a 3.7 volt battery with at least, I believe, 1200 milliamp hours. Out the door, 6 screws, you did it, I did it. Everybody can do it. Tune in for my next video. Leave a comment below if you like. How was that?